Good morning class. Today I want to describe about pair of linear equation in two variables for class 10th. Exercise 3.3 question number first part third. Concentrate your mind and listen my words with full concentration. My words is clear. No confusion about it. Very good. Firstly, I want to describe about form of pair of linear equation in two variables, because you can ask question to me what is form of pair of linear equation in two variables. It is new for you, so you can ask question very easily. It is clear. No confusion about it. Very good. a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. It is form of pair of linear equation in two variables. It is clear. No confusion about it. Very good. You can solve your question by two methods. First, geometrical method. Second, algebraical method. Geometrical method shows three systems. First, consistent system. Second, inconsistent system. Third, consistent dependent system. It is clear. No confusion about it. Very good. If a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2, then it shows consistent system, intersecting line and unique solution. If a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 not equal to c1 by c2, then it shows parallel line, inconsistent system and no solution. If a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 equal to c1 by c2, then it shows coincident line and consistent dependent system and infinitely many solutions. It is clear. No confusion about it. Very good. Now I want to describe about algebraical methods. There are three types of algebraical methods. First, substitution method. Second, elimination method. Third, cross multiplication methods. You can solve your question very easily by the help of substitution methods. It is clear. No confusion about it. Very good. It is very easy. But you concentrate your mind and listen my words with full concentration and see the board with full concentration. My words is clear. No confusion about it. Very good. Like, subscribe and share is very important for me. So do not forget, like, subscribe and share. My words is clear. No confusion about it. Very good. See the board. Pair of linear equation in two variables for class 10 exercise 3.3. Question number 1. Solve the following pair of linear equation by the substitution methods. Third, 3x minus y equal to 3 and 9x minus 3y equal to 9. It is clear. No confusion about it. Very good. It is given equations. You solve given equation by the help of substitution methods and you find the value of x and the value of y. Clear? It is very easy. See the board. Given equation. Given equations are 3x minus y equal to 3. Equation first. And 9x minus 3y equal to 9. Equation second. Equation first and equation second. It is clear. No confusion about it. Very good. By the help of equation first. By the help of equation first. 3x minus y equal to 3. It is equation first. You write y on right side of equal. It becomes 3x equal to 3 plus y. You write 3 on left side of equal, it become 3x minus 3 equal to y. You find y equal to 3x minus 3 by the help of equation first. It is clear? No confusion about it? Very good. Now, substituting y equal to 3x minus 3 in equation second. Substituting y equal to 3x minus 3 in equation second. In equation second. Equation second is 9x minus 3y equal to 9. It is equation second. Here 9x minus 3 multiply. You put the value of y equal to 3x minus 3. Here you can write 3x minus 3 equal to 9. Clear? 9x minus. Here you can multiply by 3 on 3x and minus 3. It becomes 9x minus 9 equal to 9. Now you open the brackets. Clear? 9x minus 9x plus 9 equal to 9. You can cut 9x minus 9x and plus 9x. It becomes 9 equal to 9. Both sides are same. We find LHS equal to RHS. We find LHS equal to RHS. Which here 9 equal to 9. LHS equal to RHS. Clear? 9 equal to 9. Shows coincident line. Lines and consistent dependent system and infinitely many solutions. Infinitely many solutions. It is clear, no confusion about it. Coincident line and consistent dependent system and infinitely many solutions. You solve your question very easily. In this way you can solve any question very easily. Solution is clear, no confusion about it. Here 9 equal to 9. You find 9 equal to 9. Right, LHS equal to RHS. Left side equal to right side. It shows coincident line and consistent dependent system and infinitely many solutions. Clear? No confusion about it? Very good. Like, subscribe and share is very important for me. So do not forget, like, subscribe and share. It is clear? No confusion about it? Very good. Okay.